Hello friends, welcome to Indian Drives. So in today's video, we are going to check about the upcoming SUV from Nissan, that is Nissan Kicks, and company claims it is one of the intelligent SUV in the market. But before that, please subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon to get notified. So let's check why the Nissan Kicks is said to be the most intelligent SUV in the market. Let's check what features it has. The Nissan Kicks features LED projector headlamps for wider visibility, LED signature lamps, 17-inch 5-spoke machine alloy wheels, Nissan signature chrome V motion grille, functional roof rail, boomerang tail lamps, aspheric ORVMs to reduce blind spots, body side molding. Now let's move ahead with the cabin and premium interiors. It has got spacious cabin and premium interiors, luxurious dual-tone brown and black interior theme with carbon fiber finishing, leather-wrapped soft-touch dashboard and door trims, which is first in class, auto AC as standard across all grades, which is first in class, shoulder room and knee room, which is best in class, large configurable storage with 400-liter boot space, which is again best in class, cooled and illuminated glove box. Talking about innovation and technology, it has got around view monitor display, 360-degree camera, which is first in class, and 8-inch floating display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Nissan Connect, which is again standard across all variants, and rain sensing wipers. Talking about superior ride experience, it has got intelligent race control, ABS with EBD and braking assistance, cruise control, smart vision with auto headlamps, front and rear fog lamps, cornering fog lamps, hill start assist, eco mode, least turning radius, and class leading ground clearance. Talking about powerful drive experience, it will be available in two variants, petrol and diesel. 1.5 H4K petrol engine with 5-speed manual transmission. 1.5 H4K petrol engine is driven by 5-speed manual transmission. 1.5 K9K diesel engine is driven by 6-speed manual transmission. So there are a lot of features in the Nissan Kicks, and hence it is called the intelligent SUV. The new Nissan Kicks has been finally launched in India today. Nissan Kicks prices will start from Rs 9.55 lakhs ex-showroom for the base petrol. The Nissan Kicks will also be available for the first time through a subscription program which will cost as low as Rs 11. It will be available in 7 paint options: pearl white, blade silver, bronze grey, amber orange, deep blue pearl, nightshade and fire red. So guys, that's all for today from Indian Drives. Do let us know in the comment section, will Nissan Kicks will be a hit in the SUV market? And do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel.